The FINCH II is a simple yet powerful two-channel display controller used for safely gauging and filling mobile tankers. The display is connected with a cable to the tank top mounted transmitter to form a basic gauging system. With power applied to the FINCH II, first displays the firmware version and proceeds through a series of numbers, letters, and relay activations to complete a self-diagnostic check. It will then advance to a normal operating mode. The display controller has built-in alarms that control relays that activate when each different alarm is reached. By connecting pump, equipment, lights, horns, and these relays, they form a powerful system that can be controlled or sounded when the alarm levels are reached. The FINCH II displays 3 alarm levels that correspond to the following names. The fill alarm is the only alarm that can be set on the display panel and is normally set to the alarm just before the liquid reaches the maximum safe floating level. This warns the operator of an impending high alarm, which if activated will shut down the pump. The fill alarm normally only sets off the audible horn and lights and shows on the display as flashing fill, alternating with the displayed level. The HH alarm is the maximum safe level that you can fill the tank without spillage. This alarm shows on the display as flashing HH, alternating with the displayed level. The spill alarm activates when the liquid reaches a point where the spill is likely to happen if you keep loading. During a spill alarm event, the spill alarm shows up on the display by flashing spill, alternating with the level. It is important to know that the spill alarm cannot be cleared or acknowledged. The display has 6 buttons on the front of the panel that give the operator control of the display operation. The Comp Select button allows the operator to display between Channel 1 or Channel 2. As a safety feature, the displayed compartment will switch to the other compartment if there's an alarm detected in that compartment. This is because the display simultaneously monitors both channels, so an alarming channel will always be the channel displayed. The ACK button is used to acknowledge or clear an alarm displayed. In practice, this will shut down an alarm horn or re-energize a pump. The spill alarm cannot be acknowledged with the ACK button. The horn bypass button is designed to silence the audible alarm so it will not sound when you reach the fill alarm. The alarm still shows up on the display, but does not activate the horn relay. An LED gives a visual indication that the horn bypass is active. The dim sleep button is used to dim the display to the operator's preference, or after 3 presses, will shut down the display LEDs down and deactivate the relays. The up and down arrow buttons can be used by the operator to set the fill alarm. Hold in for 2 seconds, release, adjust, release. How to set the fill alarm is actually outlined in another video, setting the fill and fall alarm. The arrow buttons are also used by the service technician to perform calibration operations. There are no user controls on the inside of the Finch II, and it is recommended that only qualified personnel open the display for service. You can find additional information by going to www.titanlogix.com. I hope that you found this video helpful.